from previous SSC CGL examinations. These are the questions which you should not miss out in your preparation strategy. Let's try to solve some questions here. I want you to pause this video and try this problem, and later you compare your method of solving with mine. So please pause this video and try to solve this problem. Let's see how I solve this problem. The question says A can do a piece of work in 20 days. A works for 5 days and then B finishes it in 10 more days. In how many days will A and B together finish the work? So the problem clearly says A takes 20 days to complete the work. For me, work is equals to 100 units. Here A takes 20 days to do 100 units of work. So in one day he will do 5 units of work. So 5 units per day. And A works for 5 days. So total amount of work done by A is equals to 5 days 5 units, which is equals to 25 units. And to complete the whole work, remaining 75 units is done by B. So B did 75 units of work in 10 days. So in one day he will do how much unit of work is done by A and B together. So A plus B is equals to 5 units of work done by A and 7.5 work done by B. So total is 12.5. And to do 100 units of work, 12.5, which is equals to 8. So if they work together, they will finish the work in 8 days. So the answer for this question is option D. Let's try to solve this problem from time and work again. I want you to pause this video, try this question and compare my way of solving with yours. So please pause the video and try to solve it. I hope you have solved this question. Let's see how I solve it. The problem says a tank has outlet pipe which can empty it in 3 hours. Pipe A and B are 2 inlet pipes which can fill the tank in 2 hours and 4 hours respectively. If all the pipes are open at once, how long it will take to fill the tank completely? The problem clearly says A fills the tank in 2 hours and B fills it in 4 hours. So in 1 hour A fills 1/2 part of the tank and B fills 1/4 part of the tank. And also we got another pipe which can empty the total tank in 1/3 hours. So to fill the tank I will take 1/2 plus 1/4, and to empty the tank I will take negative of this. So in these two cases we are doing positive work, and in this case we are doing negative work, which is emptying the tank, which is equals to 1. This 1 is whole unit of work done, that is to complete the tank, to fill the tank completely. Now if I take LCM of all these things, that is 12. So 12 here, so 6, 4, 3 and 3, 4. That is 6 plus 3, 9, 5/12, which is equals to, that implies, so look here friends, in 1 hour 5/12 part of tank is filled. So to fill the complete tank it will take 12/5 hours. So which is the option A here. Now let's take this problem from ratios. So the problem says A and B are in the ratio of 5:2. Their ratios changed to 7 point, sorry, their ratios changed to 7:5. Which of the following could be the number to make such ratio valid? So the problem says initially the ratio was 5:2, which is 5/2. Now the ratio has become 7/5. So by adding which of the following values this ratio is obtained? So the problem is clear now. Hope you have all solved this question. This is a simple question. So to solve any ratio questions, I will make this difference should be equal. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 2. So my difference is different here. So what I'll do is I will make them equal. How I'll do is multiply this fraction with 2 and this fraction with 3. So doing so, 5 into 2, 10 here, 2 into 2, 4 here, 3 into 7, 21 here, 3 into 5, 15 here. So now you see, now the difference is 6 here and the difference is 6 here. So this is how I will equate the difference between the numerator and denominator of the both fractions. Now see the difference in the numerator. So 10, 21, the difference is 11, and also the denominator 4 to 15, the difference is 11. By observing the options here, if you add multiples of 11 here, you will get the required ratio. So try to find the multiples of 11 in the given options. Here 11 into 2 is 22. So option B is correct. Now try to solve this problem on profit and loss. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Hope you have solved this question. The question says, on selling rice at 40 per kg, a loss of 10% is incurred. So I'll write cost price, selling price and loss or profit here. So selling price is 40 and a loss of 10% is incurred. 10% loss means 90% of CP is equals to 40. So cost price into 0.9 is equals to SP, which is equals to 40 here. So cost price is 40 by 0.9, which is equals to 400 by 9. Which is equals to 44.44. So loss on selling one item is 4.44 rupees. So he incurred a total loss of 80 rupees. On selling one item, he incurred a loss of 4.44. To get the number of items, I will divide total loss by loss on single item, which I will get as 18. So total weight of the item is 18 kg, which is option C. Now let's try to solve this question from geometry. The question says, find x in the given figure. So OB and OC are two tangents here, and ADCB is a circle here, and we need to find this x. Please pause the video and try to solve this question. This is just a formula based question. As you all know, secant formula is OB by OD is equals to OC by OA. That implies OB is equals to OA plus AB, which is equals to 10 plus x. So 10 plus x by OD. OD is this 15 here. So 10 plus x by 15 is equals to OC. OC means this secant. OC is OD plus DC, which is equals to 15 plus 5. So 15 plus 5. And OA which is equals to 10. So this is 20 here, and I just sum this value, 15 plus 5 which is 20. So 10 ones, 10 twos, and 15 into 2 is, so 10 plus x by 15. If I take 15 to right side, it becomes 10 plus x is equals to 30. That implies x is equals to 20. So which is the correct option? It is C.